Hi everyone, Get here, and this time with a quick and fun Chinese pop quiz. The answers will be at the end of the video. So, are you ready? Let's go! Number 1. How do you say good morning in Chinese? A. 晚上好 B. 早上好 C. 下午好 What is the meaning of 谢谢? Is it A. Goodbye, B. Sorry, or C. Thank you? I will show you 3 characters. Which one means water? A. 火 B. 水 C. 土 Question number 4. What does 你叫什么名字 mean? 你叫什么名字 Does it mean A. Where are you from? B. What's your name? Or C. How old are you? And now the 5th and final question. Which sentence that I'm about to show you means I like to eat dumplings? Sentence A. 我喜欢喝茶 Sentence B. 我喜欢吃饺子 Or is it C. 我喜欢看电影 Now which one is it? All done. Let's check the answers. Number 1 was B. 早上好 Number 2 was C. 谢谢 Number 3 was B. 水 And number 4 was B. What's your name? And number 5 was B. 我喜欢吃饺子 How many did you get right? Please let me know in the comments. And if you'd like to play more of these quizzes and maybe a little bit more advanced Chinese, please let me know. I'll be happy to make a lot of quizzes for you to practice your Chinese. And please remember to practice every day. Gain the knowledge and put it to use. Bye bye.